Analytics, a career for the future. Business today have access to vast amount of data. Every time you buy something at a retail store, or make a call from your phone, or book an air ticket, or even share something on Facebook, data is being generated. Imagine the scale of what is happening here. Walmart, a retail giant alone, handles 10 million transactions every day. 30 billion pieces of content are shared on Facebook every day. Millions of airline reservations, millions of hotels reservations, billions of emails and so on. 1.2 trillion GB used in 2010. And this is predicted to go up by 5 trillion GB by 2014. Not only a vast amount of data is generated, a lot of it is stored too. In 1990, the cost of storing 1 GB data was $9,000. In 2010, this has come down to 8 cents. Cost has gone down by more than 100,000 times in 20 years. This astonishing fall in storage cost has enabled business to store so much information that it is humanly not possible to extract any meaning from it without sophisticated analytical tools that can sift through large amount of data. Analytics can help banks decide who to give credit to. It can help retailers decide what to stock in the stores. It can help telecom companies predict which customers are thinking of closing their services. It can help pharmaceutical companies to develop new drugs and predict health issues before they happen. It can even help football clubs identify undervalued players for buying. Analytics is making what wasn't visible before visible now, thus transforming the way business operate. A recent study by Gartner predicted advanced analytics as one of the top 10 strategic technologies for business in 2011. New York Times reported that IBM has invested over $12 billion in the last 4 years to acquire more than 24 companies in the field of business analytics. McKinsey's latest report highlights the global shortage of trained analytical resources. An IBM study has revealed that 83% of business leaders identified analytics as a top priority for their business. For every 100 sources required, we have only 20 available, says the Times of India, and widely so. India, the third largest source for analytic talent and second largest source of English-speaking analytic talent, has become the global hub for analytics. Global companies are leveraging India's analytical talent to serve their business. Financial service companies like HSBC, Citibank, American Express and Standard Chartered. Retailers like Target, Tesco, Walmart. Information technologies companies like IBM, Dell, HP. And e-retailers like eBay, Amazon have all set up analytical teams in India. Are you interested in making the career in this field? For this you need strong quantitative skills, an analytical mind, an understanding of basic statistics, advanced statistical concepts that are widely used in analytical techniques, knowledge of analytical technique like regression, decision trees and clustering, knowledge of analytic tool like SAS and Excel, ability to apply analytics techniques in the context of the business problem. Industry 360 can help you build the career in analytics by equipping you the skills that are sought after by today employers. Industry 360 is the first of its time learning academy that provides industry-relevant training and education in the field of analytics to develop business-ready professionals. We have carefully designed courses to meet the specific needs of analytic organizations. Our courses have been created by senior industry professionals with 10 to 15 years of experience in the field in consultation toward faculty from some of the reputed schools. Industry 360 is an initiative by IIM and IIT alumni who have extensive experience in the field of analytics and education. Feel free to connect by ringing us on 9717264466, or you can mail us at hola@industry360.co.in.